Add a touch of modern refinement to your bathing experience with the Scudo Lanza Chrome Bath Shower Mixer Tap with Shower Kit, available here at Bella Bathrooms. As part of our distinguished Scudo collection, this refined bathing fixture not only provides practicality but also exudes a sleek contemporary style. Immerse yourself in a tranquil spa-like ambience within the comfort of your own home, with the convenience of easy water flow diversion between bath and shower. Crafted meticulously for those who appreciate state-of-the-art design and function in their everyday rituals. This high-quality bath shower mixer is deck-mounted, requiring just 2 tap holes for installation, and comes complete with a handset, hose, and mounting bracket. The modern square design is perfectly complemented by its elegant lever handles, giving your bathroom a stylish edge. The aesthetic appeal of its chrome finish is matched by an enviable lifetime guarantee, ensuring you unswerving reliability and peace of mind. A sublime combination of beauty, innovation, and durability all in one. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Lanza range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.